Welcome, in front of me is an LG Velvet, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. Now this comes provided with the phone somewhere in the box, so you can get it from there, or just use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. So from here we want to pop out the tray, which looks like it's located at the top of the device, right over here. You push it and you can see that the tray pops out, and from here you can grab it and simply take out. And you have space for two different SIM cards, so you can place it, well, one obviously where the SIM card would go, or the other one in the tray instead of the memory card, as you can see. But assuming we're gonna use one of each, you would place it like so, without actually dropping it. So make sure that it's laying flush on the tray. It should stay in there and not fall out. From there you can simply slide it back into the device, and it will prompt us, oh, there we go, to put in the pin for the SIM card. So I'm gonna insert that. And you can see obviously that the SIM card is working. Now let's see if SD card is also working. As you can see right over here. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.